And today we will show you how to open the late 2023 M3 version of the Apple MacBook Pro 14. If you are curious to see the internals of this expensive device, you have to undo 8 pentalobe screws. After that, you need to use a suction cup. Press and attach the cup to one of the 2 bottom corners. Then, pull up very gently until you feel the release of one of the 2 internal clips. You have to do the same for the other corner. With that out of the way, you can use a pry tool to lift slightly the bottom side of the plate. The last step is to push carefully the panel forward. This will detach it from the top-placed hooks.
Please remember, it would be of great help to us if you just hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. That would motivate us to make even more and better videos for you.
Finally, we can have a sneak peek at the hardware under the hood. Since the memory is integrated into the SoC and the NVMe is soldered, there is nothing you can do aside from watching the parts. The battery has a capacity of 69.6 watt-hours. It lasts for 16 hours and 40 minutes of web browsing or 14 hours and 17 minutes of video playback. Yes, that's a great result. You can choose between a 512 gigabyte, a 1 terabyte, or a 2 terabyte storage version. The base model of the laptop has just 8 gigabytes of unified system memory, but you can opt for a 16 gigabytes or even 24 gigabytes of RAM. That's the cooling system. Nothing fancy here, just one fan, a single heat pipe, one heat sink, and a heat spreader.